Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Taimoor Tech YouTube channel and today my topic is a complete guide to medical device software development. So first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. A complete guide to medical device software development. In a healthcare landscape undergoing rapid transformation, fueled by technological innovation, medical devices software development stand as a critical and rapidly expanding field. The global medical technology sectors, valued at nearly $500 billion and encompasses essential devices like pacemakers, imaging instrument, and implements its noises for robust growth with an anticipated annual rate of 6.1% from 2021. This momentums and expansions underscore the increasing importance and complexity of medical devices software. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview of the key considerations, process, and best practices involved in navigating the dynamics and vital areas of healthcare. What is medical device software development? At its core, medical devices software development encompasses an intricate process of designing a critical, validating, and maintaining software specifically intended to be used to conjunctions or as a medical devices. These definitions, however, open up spectrums and interpretations. It's cultural and differentiates between traditional and medical devices with embedded software and increasingly prominent category of software as a medical devices SMD. Traditional medical devices such as MRI machine, including pumps of robotic surgery system, often incorporate software or an integral components. In these cases, the software of medical software is embedded, meaning it's a part of the hardware and functions to control, monitor, or enhance the device's core functionalities. This embedded medical devices software is crucial for the device's operations, but it's not considered a standalone medical device itself. Software as a medical device SAMD. On the other hand, its software then function as a medical device on it's not embedded in hardware but can be a standalone applications, mobile app, web-based platform, or cloud services SAMD platforms. Medical functions such as diagnosis, preventations, monitoring, treatments, or alleviations of disease without being a physical connections to medical devices in a traditional senses. Understanding the nuances between these categories is critical for anyone involved in medical devices. Software developments, both embedded softwares and SAMD, are subjected to rigorous regulatory scrutiny and requires adherence to strict medical devices softwares standard. However, the developments, pathways, validations process, and software risk management process differs based on the type of software and its intended use. Therefore, a clear grasp of what constitutes medical devices software and the different categories within its foundational first step for successful development and market entry. Examples of innovative software as a medical device. Examples of software as a medical device are diverse and rapidly expanding, encompasses everything from AI-powered diagnostic from analyzing medical images to mobile app that monitors patients' vital signs and delivers therapeutic interventions. The landscape of software as a medical devices SAMD is rapidly involves, showcases remarkable innovations and transformative potentials within healthcare to truly appreciate. The impact of medical device software development is essential to explore considered examples of SAMD that are revolutionizing patient care and healthcare delivery. AI powered diagnostics imaging software. One of the most components and examples of SAMD lies in the realms of medical imaging. AI algorithms are being developed and deployed as standalone software as medical services devices to analyze decom medical imaging software data such as X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and pathology slides. This sophisticated program can detect subtle anomalies, identify patterns, indicates of disease, and assist radiologists in making faster and more accuracy diagnosis. Example includes software that detects continuous needles in the lung scan algorithms that identify early sign of diabetics retinopathy is retinal images and program that analyze brain scan for indicators and Alzheimer's disease. These AI-driven tools are significantly enhancing diagnostics accuracy and efficiency, leading to earlier interventions and improves patients' outcomes. Remote patients monitoring RPM software. Remote patients monitoring software represents another powerful applications of SAMD. These platforms leverage wearable sensor, connected devices, and mobile apps to collect patient psychological data outside of traditional clinical setting. The remote patients monitoring software then analyze this data, providing real-time insight the healthcare providers. Examples including apps that track cardiac rhythms for individuals with heart condition and system that monitors respiratory functions for patients with chronic lung disease. RPM software empowers and proactive care management, early detection of respiratory conditions, and reduce hospital readmission, fundamentally changing how chronic disease are managed. Mental health and behavioral therapy app. The increasing recognition of mental health as a critical component of overall well-being has spearheaded the developments of SAMD in the form of mental health and behavioral therapy app. This software such as medical service examples often range and therapeutics interventions including cognitive behavior therapy, CBT, and mindfulness experiencing and stress management and techniques which are delivered directly to patients via their smartphones or tablets. These apps can provide an accessible and affordable mental health supports, particularly in underserved areas. Offer tools for managing anxiety and depression, another mental health conditions. Personalized medicines software. The promise of personalized machine is being realized towards the development of SAMD, which analyze patients' specific data including genomics informations, life cycle factors, and medical history to tailor treatment plans. This sophisticated software as a medical devices program can predict treatment responses, optimize drug dosages, and guide clinical decisions, making based on an individual's unique biological profile. That this is approach leads to more targeted and effective therapies, minimizing adverse effects and maximizing positive outcomes. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. The field of SAMD is rapidly expanding with innovations emerging in areas like surgical planning software, rehabilitation and physical therapy apps, and digital therapeutics, and delivers evidence-based treatment directly to patients. The continuous advancement of softwares and medical devices potentials of revolutionizing healthcare further, offering unprecedented opportunities to improve patients' care, advanced enhance diagnostic capabilities, and transform the delivery of medical services. Types of medical devices software. The spectrum of medical devices software is incredibly diverse, reflecting the various needs and applications within the healthcare ecosystems categories. These types help to understand their functionalities, regulatory requirements, and developments consideration. We can broadly classify softwares in medical devices into several key categories. Embedded software. As mentioned earlier, embedded software is integral to traditional medical devices. Resides medical and hardwares of devices like pacemakers, infusions, pump, ventilators, and imaging equipments. These types of medical devices and software directly controls and manage the device's functions. Ensures precise operations, data acquisition, and real-time responses strengths. Real-time performance requirement strengths, high reliability, and robust safety. Features often characterized embedded softwares. Standalone software as a medical device SMD. The category encompasses softwares and based independently as medical devices. As distinguished is detail is previous section. SAMD can be deployed and mobile apps, web application, desktop software, or cloud-based services. Its versatility allows for wide range of application from diagnostic tools and remote patient monitoring software to therapeutics intervention and personalized medicines platforms. Infrastructures software. These types of software and medical systems support to a broader healthcare. IT infrastructures. IT includes healthcare that manage and medical records, electronic health records, EHRs, pictures, achieving and communication system PACS, and develops medical imaging softwares, laboratory informations management system LIMS, and hospitals information system HIS. While not directly integrations with patients like SAMD infrastructure software is crucial for efficient healthcare operations, data management, and interoperability. Medical device data systems MDDS. MDDS software will design it to transfer, store, convert, formats, and display medical devices data is too often used in conjunctions with other medical devices to facilitate data aggregations and analytics. MDDS is not intended to actively control medical devices to directly alter their functions, but rather to manage and present the ready data they generate for clinical review and decisions making. Software for manufacturing and quality controls. Conclusions. Medical devices software development is a exciting growth of tech innovations, prioritizing quality and navigate regulations, strategy, and success. Today, to explore how to experts services can help you navigate this anxiety landscape. Thank you so much for watching my video.